My name is Doug Kortfeldt. I am the Global Chief Procurement Officer for Convergint Technologies. Convergint Technologies is a life and fire safety company and system integrator. And so what we do is seen wherever you go in most of your life. It's in K through 12 in schools, it's in airports, it's in any public universities, it's in government, it's in utilities, it's in everything you do. And we do protection of human life and infrastructure. So we have essentially 220 different locations across the world that operate autonomously, and they operate in their own independent manner. And that needed to be consolidated. Convergint had well over 40 ERPs, but we had 0 supply chain tools. Ivalua was judged best able to handle catalog management, and we were seeking to have over 95% of the product we purchase through a catalog automated in a very autonomous manner. So anywhere across the world, you could find the same product at the same price from the same vendor. I like to say that I chose wrongly 3 times, but got it right the 4th time. The first 3 times weren't entirely by choice, but I have to take responsibility for it. The choice to go with Ivalua was very easy. Ivalua is a company that has high integrity, it aligns to our values and beliefs, and they're authentic in how they present themselves. And by that, I'll expand upon a situation where we were going through the reviews. Ivalua was true to the form. If they could answer a question, they did. If they couldn't, they came back to us. Convergint is a company that lives by values and beliefs. Many people hear them and then they forget about them. I can tell you that one of the most surprising things about joining Convergint is that they're true and they're held in every conversation and every engagement. With Ivalua, I expect that to continue, and I expect Ivalua to help our 10,000 colleagues to better connect to one another. We have an opportunity now to unify a function that was highly decentralized. People generally didn't even know who each other were. And well over 150 people report into a procurement function that's a broader part of 10,000 colleagues strong that every day go out and try and serve and perform for our customers. I've been waiting well over 10 years for automation to take place, and it seems like we've moved on to AI very quickly. For me, Ivalua is the first and perfect opportunity to get IA right before we do AI. And so by that, I mean, we're intelligent automating every process we have. We want to make sure that it's speed and accuracy. By using Ivalua's tool, we're going to automate almost 100% of the procurement process before it even gets to our customer. And so part of it is just rethinking the problem and reframing it. At first, we were thinking that we needed to solve for a procurement problem, but it was really a revenue problem, and it was really an opportunity to leverage Ivalua to solve some complex business problems that hadn't been, frankly, approached or solved before. The investment in Ivalua will allow us to scale and grow beyond anything we've ever seen. Procurement is generally limited in its investment capabilities and is deprioritized across many other investment areas in the company, but not so at Convergint. There's a realization that the investment with Ivalua, partnered with procurement, and working to drive revenue and reduce expense costs is paramount and critical to our success. This is my 4th CPO role, and it's probably the most fun. Everything is, of course, different, but I would say that the right choice here is a partner like Ivalua. And why do I say that? Working with Ivalua has been eye-opening. It's been not just a willingness to partner and to grow, but it's a willingness to admit we don't have all the answers and we need to solve them. Some of the problems that we brought to Ivalua have been highly complex and differentiated, things that in my 30-plus year career I've never seen before. And what did I get for that? I got a team that was willing to work with us to help try and solve that, and was willing to take the time to come back, get it right, and represent the ideas. So to me, having that trust and confidence is the best thing that I could ever hope for. And if I could go back and talk to myself 15 years ago, that's the advice I would give myself.